Okay, so welcome all. Welcome. Today we are going to go through 25 not 25, sorry, 15 opportunities of consolidation. One disclaimer here, what I would like to give is this is only for looking at what consolidations we have learned. That is point number one. Point number two is these consolidations are happening right now. They are not given a breakout. So just because we are discussing here, many people might go ahead and say नहीं अब डिस्कस हो गया तो खरीद लेते हैं, कभी ना कभी तो ऊपर जाएगा, लॉन्ग टर्म भी बोला है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. द ब्यूटी ऑफ कंसोलिडेशन or triangles is that once it breaks out, then it has a higher probability of success. If it has not broken out, if it is still under formation phase, we should wait patiently for it to break out. So today's session, all 15 stocks are under consolidation. So we have to wait for it to break out. So second question might come कि ठीक है जब breakout होना ही था तो आज क्यों बुला लिया सबको? So it is for again education purpose, that so that you understand how to identify the patterns while they are forming. Then you can put them in the watch list. You can put them in their watch list. Observe it, because what happens in stock market, we can always keep a watch list. We can keep the stocks in our watch. Then once it breaks out, then we can take the trade and then earn money. So we need to keep a lot of patience. So I want a concurrence from all of you by typing in the chat. 1. Today it is only for education purpose. Everyone agrees. Can I have yes from all of you? Please type yes. You agree that it is only for education purpose? Yes. Great. Thank you. Second is everyone agrees to wait patiently till actual breakout happens. They will not think of trading just because we have discussed here. So second yes also needed, that okay, you are going to wait for the breakout. You will understand. Once you are confident, then only you can decide whatever you want to do. Okay, great. So with this two understanding and everyone saying yes on chat, let's go ahead. Okay. Now, this is the first. Okay, so I would request every one of you to unmute yourself, speak, and then mute yourself. So we will make it more interactive since we have, we know a lot of things now. So this is the first stock which we have, which is Aavas Financials Limited. So we are not going into any fundamental. We are only doing the technical analysis for this. So as per our learning so far, what do you see in this chart right now? Because it is very important for me to understand that whether you are able to spot the consolidations or not. So can someone tell me what you are able to see in this? Yeah, Karthik. Okay, cup.
Yeah, the bottom the graph shows it's in consolidation mode, which is a little breakout happening.
Okay. So what is the pattern? See, what we are trying to learn here is what is the pattern, because going forward, today we are all discussing, tomorrow everyone will be doing individually. So you should be able to talk with the chart. So my objective is that everyone who is participating should be able to talk with the chart. So right now, what is happening in Aavas Financials, cup and handle? Yeah, most of our participants have said cup and handle, which is definitely quite close. So let's do this. So let's
Sameer sir, chart screen बहुत छोटा दिख रहा है. You might probably need to reverse this.
I'll stop share and again share.
No. सर लैपटॉप पे ठीक दिख रहा है.
हाँ, मैंने फिर से शेयर कर दिया. अब देखिए.
Yeah, it is fine. It is fine now. Yeah.
It's fine now? Okay, great.
Yeah.
So now this is the cup. and we can say this is the handle, right? So in handle ये है, हालांकि handle वो पूरा ऊपर आना चाहिए, ड्राइंग के पर्पज से हम cup and handle देख सकते हैं. How many of you can now see it that okay, this is a cup and handle? Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Even inverted head and shoulder also you can see. See here, if we join from here to here, and if you see, yes, this is also a head and shoulder pattern. So see, like they say, all roads lead to the same God. Where all technical analysis, somewhere they will overlap. Okay, one thing, other thing, it will overlap. So you'll see a lot of figures. So those who said cup and handle is also good. Those who said uh, head and shoulder also, it's good. So are we all in the sync? What we are able to see in the Aavas Financiers? Can I have yes? Any question here on consolidation? Yes? Okay. Now just hold on. Now I'll just delete. So what you can do is you can open the chart on your own trading view. You can draw this cup and handle. Once we have known cup and handle, I'll just delete this drawing so that we can do the next step. Now we have this cup and handle. Now what is the next step? Next is we find the entry. Okay, so this is cup, this is handle, this is the top. So what we do is we put a line here. Okay, and mind you, this is a weekly chart. Huh? Okay, this is not a daily chart. All charts what I am discussing today are weekly charts. We have to wait patiently for the weekly breakouts. So the breakout has to happen on a weekly basis. So on a Friday basis, it has to break out above 1978, or let's say 1980 here. It has to break out above 1980 from this line, then we'll call it a proper breakout. So now breakout is clear to everyone?
Yes.
Now breakout is there. So once we have breakout, we should have a stop loss. Stop loss is in case our analysis goes wrong, it goes up, starts going down, then where we should exit with a loss. We should exit with a loss with the low of the handle, right? In head and shoulder, the other shoulder. So the other side is 1603. So once it closes on a weekly basis below 1603, it's a time to exit on a loss. So we know the entry, we know the exit on the loss. Now we have to look at the profit side of it. So if we look at the profit side of it, then we have to take from the bottom of the shoulder, we have to take to the top, put it at the breakout point, and we can draw a horizontal line here. So this is our target. Why we get more confirmation for the target is it is matching with the previous top. So if it goes out from here, what is the likelihood that it might reach till there? There is a possibility because it is earlier tops are there. So it will reach till that top. So this is how we do head and shoulder pattern. Everyone okay? Everyone good? Clear? Yes, no?
Clear, please.
Okay. So we will follow the same method in all the 15 stocks. We will see the pattern. Now I will not explain. Okay, so Sujay is saying, how about fundamental? In technical analysis, we don't look at fundamental. We straight away take basis the technical analysis. Even if the stock is bad, sometimes it goes up, right? It is not necessary that stocks will go up only after fundamental. So we in technical will not see fundamental. Second is Alok industry. Again, we are having see a long term head and shoulder pattern here. Agreed? Yes. So you can put Alok industry in your watch list. I'll delete. Now, This is the shoulder, head, shoulder pattern. Ideally, we have to wait for a breakout above this headline. So since this is the highest, we should wait for breakout above this. Okay, so 39, let's say 40. If it closes above Friday 40, this is the and we keep it here. So this is our target. Fine. So what we have to do is, yes, this is a long shot. It will take a lot of time to come here and then go up. But the important thing is we identify the patterns early when they are forming and wait patiently for it to actually happen. So once it happens, then we take the trade and we can earn from it. Fine. Everyone good? Can we go ahead? This is the stop loss. This is the low of whatever the low forms of this side. This is cup and handle. Whatever the handle low forms, you can keep it as a stop loss. Fine. Everyone okay?
Okay.
How about others? Okay, so let's go ahead. What is this Asian Paints? What is happening here? Asian Paints, anyone? What is the formation here?
Seems inverted head and shoulders.
Inverted head and shoulder. Okay, so
Triangle.
head and shoulder, normally what will happen is this shoulders should be lesser than the head. अगर इसको अपन head मान के चलें and this is are the shoulders, then shoulder should be little lesser than the head. So head and shoulder we will not say. So other thing is we are getting triangle. Triangle. Let's say let's draw a triangle. And let's take the highest point here. And if we take this point, and if we take the lowest point here, and if we take this point, तो बहुत दूर तक जा रहा है, right? It is triangle. Somewhere it will go and meet. So, is it okay if we take a rectangle instead around this?
Yes, range bound.
Range bound, right? So let's take. How about this? Everyone okay?
Yes.
So let's see the target, conservative target. Let's take this point till this point. Okay, so this is the target. But after it breaks out the rectangle. So I'll not repeat that same again. So all consolidation, it has to break out. Fine, everyone okay? Yes, no, hello.
What would be the stop loss in this?
Stop loss in rectangle, you should take 50% of the rectangle. Whatever is the width, you take 50% of this and as a stop loss. Because only patterns, that is the best way. With the indicators, it is much better. So here, since we are only taking consolidation, 50% we can take as a stop loss. We'll go ahead. Everyone okay with Asian Paints? I hope someone is okay. Great. So let's go to what is this pattern?
Same rectangle pattern.
Rectangle, yeah, and it's a nice squeeze. So this is a very good squeeze. See, what is happening is earlier it was very high and low. Here, let me check. Now there is a nice squeeze which is happening. So we can go for rectangle here. So we should always take the like not so good scenario. If we earn more, that is good thing. So if we take it here, then how many of you can now calculate the target and stop loss here? Can I have yes? Someone having difficulty in calculating target and stop loss? Everyone can now calculate the target and stop loss. Everyone will go back to their trading view. Look at the targets, can calculate.
Yes.
Okay, great. So everyone is saying yes, perfect. Abhi merko, I am little satisfied ki yes, everyone is now well versed with the patterns. What is this pattern?
Triangle.
Sorry?
Triangle.
Triangle, absolutely right. So this we can say as a triangle. And we have this. This is Birla Soft. So this is a triangle. No, this is more of a triangle. See, head and shoulder, this shoulder, head cannot be small, right? If you see the human figure, this is shoulder, this is shoulder, this is head. So a shoulder will be little lower, right? So whenever you're looking at head and shoulder, the shoulder has to be smaller, head has to be larger. Fine. Everyone okay with triangle? Everyone knows how to find the target for the triangle?
Yes.
So Sandeep is asking, can we have similar target? Yes, triangle. That's why I said, but if it does not crosses the break up, don't take the trade, because if it breaks down, there is a possibility that it will go by the same number. Let's say from here, it is at 561 and 879. Okay, so almost 300 points. If it breaks down, there is a possibility that it will go down by 300 points. So don't jump the gun and take the trade. Always wait for the breakout above the previous high. So if this is the high, let little bit points go. But once it closes on a weekly basis above this high, then take the trade. The target will be the this is the target. Let's say wherever it breaks, let's say it breaks from here, will not take the trade. From this point, we'll take the trade once it closes above the previous high, and then it goes till there. So 300 points is also good enough. So not 41, maybe we'll get a like 30% or something like that. Okay, let's go to Chalet Hotels. Okay. Again, what is the pattern here? Again, these are all weekly charts. Huh? Don't go and find these charts in daily pattern. So, okay, what is the pattern here?
Rectangle.
Rectangle is more fitted here. So let's take the rectangle.
Looks to be triangle also.
Triangle also, yes. So ये थोड़ा सा dicey सा है. So let's see why from rectangle point of view and a triangle point of view. Okay, this can be the case. Rectangle can be also case. So it is better. Anyway, either ways, we will wait for the breakout for it to close above this level for any considerable amount. Okay. Fine, everyone okay? So this is chalet total. कितने कर लिए हमने? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we go to the 7th. See, this is not a triangle. Okay, so this, what can we take? So what do we take for this? Cup and handle. Okay, cup and handle. Yes. We can take cup and handle. वैसे cup का थोड़ा bottom is not very regular, so we can as well go for a triangle. And it appears that okay, the breakout has happened here, but since we are on Wednesday only right now, so we should be waiting patiently for, okay, it's not fitting that very well. Somehow I am trying to fit the triangle. So either, see, here the caution is, either we take this breakout or we take that this high is broken, then we take as a precaution, or we can go step by step. Put something here, but this is weekly chart. We should not take this as a breakout. We have to wait patiently till Friday. If it is closing above this high on Friday, then we should go one step ahead. Otherwise, we should not. It may so happen that it has gone up and by Friday it comes down. So it will not be a breakout. So on Friday, it has to close above here. Then we take one step. If it goes above this, then we take another step. And then we measure the distance from here till here. So this is the target. Even if it closes above, it is okay. So Sujay is asking close above with volume. It is okay. So now, going forward, now everyone is clear how we are coming for this patterns and how we are doing the measurements and all. Yes, no? Okay. So now can we run through the remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7? So let's take the 8th. Coming up the 8th. Coming up 8th. This is what? What pattern is this? Okay, so we have Abhilasha ji is saying cup and handle, triangle, cup and handle. Okay, any other thoughts? Yeah, so what we can do is we can take little conservatively and we can take it as a cup and handle. So this is cup, handle. I'm assuming now everyone will be able to go to Green Panel Industries and draw the lines and decide the targets. Is that okay? Is that good for homework?
Okay.
Yes. So this is cup and this is handle formation. So everyone needs to draw the line. You can, once I upload this video on YouTube, you can draw that and put in the comments also. So in case whichever is right, I can tick mark, okay, this is the right one. So this you can take as a homework. Once I upload this YouTube video in 1 or 2 days, you can do the working on it, post it in the comment. Okay, as per you, this is the target. Then I can check it whether it is correct or not. If it is grossly wrong, then I'll say, otherwise you can see from the comments. Okay, what is this? This is again cup and handle, right? Everyone agrees?
Yes.
Okay. So let's go to intellect design. Intellect design, this is a very long shot. What I was looking at was this much portion. So if you look at this portion, how much, what it will be?
Again, cup and handle.
Nahi, itna hi, only this much.
Triangle.
Triangle.
Triangle. Yes. So intellect design, you can plan, draw the lines as per this and post it in the as a comment. Fine, everyone okay? Hello.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
No? Okay. So here comes the 10th one. MTR technology. This I have not discussed in the class. Now, this is a channel. So MTR technology, as per the pattern till now, as a weekly, it is running into a channel. It has gone up, gone down, come here. So trading channels, you can trade from here also. Like it is stabilizing here, it is forming consolidation. So channel, what can be done is, it is a two-step process in a channel. First is whichever is the high here. Let's take this has gone touched here. This is the high. It has come here. This is the entry. So if in channel a confirmation will come if it goes above 2214. So this is the confirmation that yes, it is moving in the channel and it is likely to go till here. So that is one confirmation. If it is going from here to here, so we can take it as a target from here to here in the channel. Everyone okay? So far, so good? Yes, no?
Yes.
Now, the best part about the channel is, let's say if the channel breaks, then what is the target? The target is the width of channel. Let's take the width of the channel. If we take, this is the width of the channel from here to here, and put it here. Let's say if it reaches here and in long course it comes, and if it breaks out from there, then after it breaks out the channel, the second target becomes this. So it may so happen that it comes from here, goes till there, comes down, again goes up. That is also a possibility. If it breaks the channel, there is a likelihood that it will go till here. This is how the channel will work. Okay, so we go to the next one, the 11th one. This is HDFC Bank. Again, I have drawn the rectangle. It's in rectangular pattern. So I want you to see how far it goes if it breaks the rectangle.
Stop loss for channel, sir.
Sorry? Channel,
Stop
you
loss for
can take 50% of the channel. 50% of the channel. See, if it goes till here, 50% you take for like similar to rectangle you can take. HDFC, everyone okay? You can draw? Yes? Okay, great. Now coming to Jubilant Food, again, okay, I have drawn it. So you people can draw and see what is the target. Fine? हो गए क्या हमारे 15 आज के? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so now what I'll do is you people can take a snapshot of the remaining one. Go back and check out the stocks. What is happening here and try to practice. So today we'll stop at Jubilant Foods. Now, from here to here, you can take a snapshot. Everyone has taken the snapshot. Screenshot you can take. Now, my request to everyone is you can go back, look at all the weekly charts, what is happening from here to here in these stocks remaining. So these are around 29, 28 stocks. So what is happening in these stocks? And again, what we do next week is, next week I will not show the stocks. Next week, participants have to share the stock and show the pattern on this stock. And so that I am also confident that yes, whatever I have taught till now has been absorbed. Is that okay with everyone?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Great. So, okay. So with that, we come to the end of whatever we wanted to cover. 3 stocks I have not covered, but we'll cover it in next week when everyone draws the pattern on them. So Berger Paint, we have Berger Paint is also in consolidation. Yeah. So who asked? Yeah. So correct. So triangle pattern in Berger Paints. Yes, absolutely right. Chalo. At least everyone is through now.
So me one question. So for consolidation, we are necessarily supposed to see the weekly pattern, or we can have a look at the daily pattern as well?
Daily also, we can have a look at daily, we can have a look at monthly, you can even go down to hourly also. It works at all levels.
Okay.
It's only like accumulation which is happening. Like
Mhm.
what happens is, if someone is a big player, why these patterns form? Like I had explained earlier, that if some big player is there, he cannot go and put one simple order and buy all the share he wants. Correct?
Hmm.
क्योंकि अगर करोड़ों में वो पैसा उसमें उतार देगा, if he is buying with crores of rupees in one day, if he is buying, everyone will come to know कि बॉस ये कोई खरीद रहा है और कुछ होने वाला है. Like let's say if you come to know that Mukesh Ambani is going to buy Berger Paints shares tomorrow, will you buy it or not?
Yeah, yeah.
भाई वो buy कर रहे हैं, बड़े आदमी है तो हम तो buy कर ही लेंगे. So what happens is, consolidation patterns forms when big players are either buying or they are selling out. Because if you come to know कि भाई अंबानी जी ने बेच दिए सारे शेयर बर्जर पेंट के, तो हम भी बेच देंगे कि भाई वो बड़ा आदमी निकल गया, तो हम क्यों पकड़ के रखे इसको. Correct?
Right. Right.
So consolidation patterns are the best place to get ready for earning money. We see consolidation, we wait for what is happening. If the big person is coming out, the consolidation will break down and it will go to a lot of distance below. If he is buying and if it breaks out, then it will go up to a certain extent. So that is what is the theory behind consolidation. Consolidation, big players are like buying or selling. We don't know. We don't have that insider information, but we know consolidation में कुछ हो रहा है. So that's why we wait above the consolidation for catching the trend. So once it breaks out, we catch that and ride the wave.
Okay.
Okay, so great.
Yeah.
So Rishabh, you can post one chart, right? Would you like to share and see high tech? Okay, let Rishabh answer high tech. So we'll take this last high tech pipes, right? Sir, इसमें तो पैटर्न से बाहर निकल चुका है. Actually, this is Fibonacci retracement and it has gone up. So it is there. Okay. Okay, great. So I hope everyone learned something today, got to know few stocks, and they have something to work upon over the weekend. Yes. Okay, great. So thank you so much for joining today. See you on next Wednesday. We'll go through it. Be ready to share your screens and show the patterns next Wednesday. Our next class will be on coming Wednesday. So we'll go through the remaining 16, 17 stocks and what patterns they are forming. So we are ready for whenever the breakout happens. In out of 30, may not everyone will break out, but few will break out. That is good enough for us to have some good opportunity. So thank you. Thank you so much for joining. See you on Wednesday.
Thank you.